Hey guys, in this tutorial, I just wanted to tell you of another utility method of a string in which you will just able to find out whether a particular string is a part of that is particular string or not. And I'll be posting this sandbox link to you so that you can explore it over there. Okay, so I'm just putting it over there to be make a shorter video, console already there, and then log. And suppose that this is Venki. This is Venki, and he is a good boy, and he is a good boy. So let's now what is the method? It's includes. So if you are going to use includes, which means that if good is a part of this particular string or not, it's going to return a true, and that's we are going to paint it in over the console. Let's say good. So see, the good is already printed over here, which means that we are on the right track. Okay, so thanks. Thank you very much.